Sometimes there's things that you think you cannot do. So Joel 3:10 tells us to train to make those weak things in our life, make them strong. But the only way we can do that is through Jesus Christ. You got to remember, we as Christians, we do not walk alone. We walk with Christ. We've been bought with His blood. We've been bought with the price. I encourage you guys to keep your mind focused, your mind sharp, and to remember that those things when you feel weak, He is strong and He is with you. Love you guys.